Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the KPI, dashboard, and actual versus budget analysis tabs in your financial file. These tools help you monitor performance, track key metrics, and make informed decisions based on your company's financial data. Before diving into KPIs and dashboards, note that your Excel file automatically generates financial reports, including the profit and loss, balance sheet, and trial balance, as long as the Transactions tab is properly completed. If you're unsure how to do that, we have other tutorials to guide you step by step. Step 1. Understanding the KPI tab. The KPI tab displays key performance indicators calculated from your accounting data. Cells highlighted in green or red show whether values fall within the good range in column D. These ranges can be adjusted based on industry benchmarks relevant to your business. Step 2. Choosing the KPIs that matter. The Dashboard tab provides a clear, visual snapshot of your business's financial health. It comes preloaded with a curated set of KPIs from the KPI tab, but you're free to customize the selection to focus on the metrics that matter most to your operations. You don't need to track all 30. Just choose the ones that align with your strategic priorities, whether it's profitability, liquidity, efficiency, or growth. This ensures your dashboard stays focused, relevant, and truly reflective of your business goals. To get the most out of your dashboard, we recommend reviewing your KPIs on a monthly basis. This habit allows you to track performance trends over time and compare results from one period to the next. By saving a snapshot of your dashboard at the end of each reporting period, you'll build a valuable archive of financial performance. Over time, these comparisons will help you identify seasonal patterns, recurring issues, and areas of consistent improvement. Later in this video, we'll explore how AI can help automate this monthly review process, making it faster, smarter, and less manual. If you'd like help reviewing your dashboard setup or diving deeper into your metrics, feel free to schedule a personalized consultation through your portal or via our website. Now let's look at the Actual versus Budget Analysis tab. This tab helps you compare actual performance against projections. Column F pulls actuals from the Transactions tab. To begin, update the reporting period in row 9, then enter projections in column G. Variances in dollars and percentages are calculated in columns H and I. You can also compare year-over-year performance by copying prior year P&L figures into column G. This gives you instant insight into how this year stacks up. Analyzing KPIs, budget performance, and year-over-year trends is one of the most valuable habits you can build. These dashboards offer a clear overview of your financial health and help you make smarter decisions. Strong KPI documentation also enhances your financial credibility. Whether you're seeking funding, applying for a loan, or preparing for a partnership, clear metrics that demonstrate efficiency and stability make a real difference. Now let's see how to automate your financial insights with AI. As a business owner, your time is crucial. Why not automate how you receive and analyze your financial data and let AI help interpret it? You can easily set up a monthly financial recap delivered straight to your inbox. Key data is ready to share with your team or partners. Thanks to automation, it's fast, seamless, and always on time. Each month, you could receive monthly sales figures, year-to-date total sales, KPIs like current ratio, debt to equity, gross profit margin, and cash position summary. To truly unlock the value behind these numbers, we need to move beyond raw data and uncover the story it tells about your business. That's where AI comes in. By analyzing your financials, AI can surface patterns, flag anomalies, and generate actionable insights, even for those without a CFO background. In this next part, we'll provide the AI with a clear context and let it interpret the company's financial data. You'll see how it transforms static figures into meaningful observations that drive smarter decisions. Here's the prompt. You are a senior financial data analyst and the CFO of your Canadian marketing consulting business, Social Media Expert Incorporated. You are responsible for delivering in-depth insights from exploratory data analysis, focused on SME financial statements for the data included in this email. Your role is to interpret data sets such as profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and KPIs, identifying trends, anomalies, and actionable recommendations. Please note, monthly sales figures are available and should be analyzed for trends and seasonality. However, all KPIs are static and reflect the current state of the business based on year-to-date sales and the most recent balance sheet. Keep this in mind when interpreting performance metrics over time. Conduct a comprehensive analysis of a dataset and generate a report with key findings, patterns, and recommendations based on the data provided in this email for Social Media Expert Incorporated. What does the AI deliver? Key findings and patterns, sales trend, KPI analytics, and recommendations. AI doesn't just summarize your numbers, it interprets them. It can highlight patterns you might overlook, flag anomalies early, and suggest strategic actions based on your financial reality. This is especially useful for small business owners who don't have a full-time financial analyst. With AI, you gain access to expert-level insights without the overhead. You can receive this comprehensive analysis on a monthly basis. Each report helps you compare performance over time and builds a clear, evolving picture of your company's financial health. As the archive grows, it becomes a powerful tool to track progress, spot trends, and refine your strategy with confidence. This setup gives you instant access to your financial insights, helping you act quickly and confidently, especially when cash flow is critical. You now learn how to track KPIs, compare actual results to projections, automate reporting, and use AI to analyze your financial data. As your business grows, so will the complexity of your financial decisions. By mastering these tools now, KPIs, dashboards, budget analysis, and AI automation, you're building a foundation for long-term success. If you're just starting out or managing rapid growth, these tools give you clarity when it matters most. They help you stay focused, avoid surprises, and communicate your financial story with confidence. Whether you're pitching investors, applying for financing, or planning next quarter strategy, having structured insights at your fingertips makes every conversation more strategic. Thanks for watching. Explore our other tutorials for more tips on managing your financial statements with confidence. To review your financials with one of our experts, schedule a consultation through your client portal. If this walkthrough helped clarify things, feel free to subscribe, comment, or share it with fellow entrepreneurs. See you in the next chapter of your business journey.